Studies show that the teenage brain is primed for innovation if directed correctly. In a society that dumbs down teens, the zMAD Leadership Experience is an intense, challenging program that teaches teens leadership skills by having them work through difficult community problems. Movers and shakers of the community work alongside teens to empower them to work outside their comfort zones.
Depression, anxiety, bullying, lack of self-worth, everything we read tells us these negatives are on the rise among our teens. We believe teens can make a difference if they're shown how. While working with tough community issues, teens get involved in something bigger in our zMAD program and change begins to happen. They realize they do have a voice. They do have a larger purpose in this world. Albert Schweitzer says the only ones among us who will be really happy are those who have found ways to serve. We call teens to greater responsibility, to oppose society's low expectations, to step up, make a difference in their community, and follow their dreams.
zMAD project is really about the Zig Ziglar quote that says, when you catch a glimpse of your potential, that's when passion is born. And in that, that's what the whole 40-hour experience is about. That teens that come in this chaos of their environment and all that's going on, they've got to find a piece of themselves that's positive, that's direct, that's inspiring, that may have been hidden for some time.
The fact that people are actually listening to me has changed me in the fact of I have more self-confidence now.
I've had a terrible childhood, but I can overcome that. That's what this zED Bridge has helped me. And through this whole program, it's helped me come from out of my turtle shell.
I saw some amazing growth. We had students that wouldn't normally say much stepping up and saying a lot. We had students that weren't always the most reliable. Every morning they were ready to be picked up and ready to go with smiles on their faces. It was pretty amazing to watch.
Not only were they able to talk to the public, they were actually able to express their ideas to the public, which just was amazing because these students, both of them suffer greatly from high anxiety.